STARLINK is now available in Panama. For a limited time, STARLINK was offering a promotional discount of $250 plus $22 shipping for the dish equipment and modem. Also a promotional monthly rate of $52. I ordered online and the shipment arrived within a few days. I received it in Volcan at Alana Group. The box contains the mounting stand, the dish receiver, installation instruction diagram, decals, white modem unit, and about 40 feet of cable. The assembly is intuitive. By placing the cable through the stand and into the dish, then put the stand onto the dish assembly. It's now ready to take outside. I decided to place the dish on the roof for an unobstructed view of the sky. I plugged in the cables and modem. I checked the phone for Wi-Fi signal and chose STARLINK. I then created a network with name and password, and that's it. It's up and running. The first speed test was 196 megabytes per second. Then about 30 minutes later, it had dropped down to 53 megabytes per second. This is because for the first 6 hours, the unit needs to calibrate and the dish moves into final position. After calibration, speed tests indicate 50 to 240 megabytes per second download speed, but usually around 150. Upload speed varies between 8 and 35 megabytes per second. There are other options depending on your location in and around Volcan. Other options include fiber optic cable, $40 a month. Speed is 80 to 300 megabytes per second. Also, Tigo dish, $37 a month, 6 megabytes per second. These internet options are sufficient for people working from home, online, for conference calls, virtual classrooms, Zoom calls, and streaming services.